How's everyone out there? Today, going to show you that I had all my exotic fruits out here. I think you can really see me, so I will show you how I had in here. Una sa lahat, babatiin, hindi nyo makita yung ulo ko. Una sa lahat, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Gawa po tayo ng exotic fruits smoothie. Parang hindi nyo nakikita yung aking ulo. Meron po akong nakalagay sa ulo ko. Tingnan ninyo, ayan. Napakataas yata kasi namupuan ko. Parang tanga. Oo nga. Parang nga. Ayan yun na yung aking bulaklak sa ulo. Mamaya ko na lang sa inyo pakita para makita nyo yung ginagawa. So guys, I got kiwi. So I make like exotic smoothie today. Then next, this one, cactus fruits. I don't really know what is the difference. A big difference on my face, I guess. I think I improved my health. Like I feel good. I feel fresh. Yeah. Oh, this is very ripe, but it's okay. You gotta make mash anyway out there. You can eat the seeds, no? So become mishmash. So pears. Did I wash this? Oh, be careful, there is a virus. I just removed the peeling, so it's okay, it should be safe. So I just gonna put some hapan tsura ko. Now I'm speaking in our Tagalog language. So by the way, hope everything is fine. When you're enjoying your daytime. For me, I'm enjoying doing this. I love this. So have to make it like that. It's yummy. Okay, just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I cannot really see my head, so I need to put a little bit up. Just a bit. Yes, I think so. Okay, guys. So yeah, you see me. Parang tanga. Oy, yung mga hindi nanonood, manood na kayo. So, may ganun. Ano yung tsura ko? You know, guys, I have this because I don't want to show you my big muscles. I'm protecting my fat. Joke. Okay, so I'm going to have half of this. Okay, guys. It is too sour. Kunti lang. Just a bit, probably. Yeah, just make it half of them. I become a fruit fanatic. But I love it. Look, I looks like strange, probably. And next smoothie will gonna be a tropical, but I got exotic today, so I become exotic too. This banana, I am talking nonsense. I think I had a lot right now. Okay, so I put them in one go. So I gonna do the rest on the other day. So guys, here next time I'm gonna make some tropical smoothie. So today I'm going to have I got a exotic smoothie for today. So guys, to put it here. This is very easy. You see, I'm a mess. Something like life is a mess. Look, yan. Ang gulong ate, ano ba yan? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay. So water. You see my blender? Yeah, it sounds so loud. So sometimes I have to cut back the video cut with this. Do I have enough water? Guys, give me a minute. Don't forward the video. I just gonna get some water. Don't forward it. Just stand by and watch my fruits. Okay, so I had this. So I think I have enough. Oh, it's really full. Now I have to add the rest of the fruits because you know what? I have a nice umbrella here. See ate. Okay guys, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's too sour. By the way, I'm not just doing this smoothie. I'm doing some other things on my video, like paintings, some kind of music, and some kind of fun with my friends. And it's all mixed up, you know. So please keep watching my videos. And thank you so much for all my subscribers, for all your support. And keep watching. Don't unsubscribe me, joke. Stay there. They're gonna be a lot of fun. I will introduce you my garden. Oh, this is in German. It says Kalon. I'm saying German, but it was written in, I think, Spanish. Kalona vulgaris. I have no idea. This is in German. It's Winterhalternuspinhalde. My German is still too bad. My dog is not so slim. Okay, guys. Do you love the flowers? They can stay in the winter time. So I love this. And probably it brings me luck. Wow. It's lovely. So then and crazy one. Oh yeah. See? Hi. I got this from China with love. Oh, I think so. Or I don't know. I got somewhere. So in the Philippines, I guess. Or I don't know. So these flowers, I did these flowers painting. So next time I show you guys, but I don't have really clean umbrella. Supposed to be they're selling already with the paint. So but this one I did it for myself. I don't know what's on it, but I did this for myself with like acrylic color. So come back to my smoothie right now. Okay, I'm hungry, so I have to stop talking. Anyway, I share your other things. Just stand by. So I'm just sharing this because maybe you wanna watch some of my acrylic paintings or my paintings. I love this one. This is a thick wood, like spur wood of a cabinet. I just pick some wood and I paint this in acrylic. They're lovers. It's great, yeah? And of course, I'm introducing right now all my crazy stuff. I am promoting. No, this is a fun. So this is my guitar. I made it in string. So guys, please watch my painting or string arts. I gonna make some string arts or another new paintings this week. So stand by. I will put you the schedule for my painting and string arts, something like that. So manood po kayo lahat, okay? Sana gusto po nang gumawa ng mga arts, kung di ko ganito, madali lang po itong gawin. So, bibigyan ko po kayo ng schedule para mapanood po ninyo how to do it. It was easy and fine. Okay, let's go back to the smoothie. So guys, keep watching. Thank you for watching. Here is the noise. on it. But it's okay, I like this. Not so thick, you know. More juice. So guys, cheers. By the way, another thing. I'm making this bracelet, if you can see. Okay, this is like a flowers. I had all the videos out there. You can check it out. I probably gonna have to put the link below on this flowers bracelet and my stuff, so you guys can watch and can see if you like it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and keep watching, and cheers. It's good for healthy living. This make me full. Not a full, okay? Okay, thank you.